Yo, this is how you make Gochujang Jjigae. Woo! Woo. Look at that. Ooh, hot and spicy. This is exactly what I needed. Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Chef Chris Cho out here, and today I'm about to make some Gochujang Jjigae. So the other day, I just wasn't feeling so good. I was feeling under the weather, a little bit of sore throat and runny nose, and I needed something spicy. And I was thinking like, damn, what can I cook with something at home? And I knew I had all these vegetables at home, and I knew I had some beef and pork. So I decided to make this soup. So I decided to share this with y'all. So let's get right to it. All right, so first thing first, we're gonna chop up all the vegetable. Here we have some potatoes, zucchini, scallion, mushroom, some jalapeno pepper, and some onion. Woo! We're gonna chop up some scallions. Boom. So the top piece, we're gonna chop them up like that. We're gonna saute this with the gogi, make the pagirim, you know what I mean? Just like that. And then the other half, we're gonna slide it through. Boom. Just like that. And we got some jalapeno pepper for some kick. Guys, be careful when you guys are chopping up pepper, because once you touch the pepper, you rub your eyes or you rub your gochujang. Don't get a little spicy, you know what I mean? All right, so now we're gonna chop up some onions and some zucchini. Boom. Cut that into another half, and then just like that. All right, so we got some scallions, jalapeno, onion, and some zucchini. Now we're gonna chop up some mushroom. All right, now we're gonna peel the potatoes. I've been peeling potatoes at my parents' restaurant since I was like, I don't know, 8 years old, 10 years old. I used to go visit my parents' restaurant because I wanted to hang with them, you know? Because they were always at the restaurant. So my mom would be like, hey, if you want to help peel the potatoes, you can come join right away. So that's where I started cooking. All right, so we're gonna cut this in half. Or you could cut it like this. Boom. So gochu means pepper paste and jjigae means soup. So basically today we're making pepper paste soup. So this is the base right here, all right? All right, so now we have all the vegetables ready. Now we're gonna chop up our protein. So today's choice of protein is pork, but the other day I actually made it with beef because my wife does not like pork. So I made it with beef and it was good as usual. So go with beef and pork and it'll be good. To be honest, pork, pepper flakes or pepper paste, and sesame oil, those three things, trifecta. Woo, it's fire. Even kimchi jjigae kimchi is made with pepper flakes and it's pork and some sesame oil. Or kimchi 제육볶음 is kimchi, 제육볶음, and some sesame oil. What else? Even kimchi fried rice is usually done with some kimchi, some pork, and some sesame oil. So I'm using a different cutting board right now because we're cutting meat. All right, so we're gonna chop up some pork. We're gonna cut it into cube size actually. Gonna cut it just like that. Boom. Oh, lastly, I forgot to cut up some tofu. This could be some of your protein as well too. All right, so we're gonna slice off some tofu. Whew. Just like that. All right, so now we're done chopping it up. Let's get to the cooking part, the fun part. Throw the pot on top. All right, high heat, splash of oil, half a tablespoon of garlic, whew, a tablespoon of scallion. Now throw in the pork. Boom, give that a nice stir. All right, now we're gonna throw a tablespoon of sesame oil. Whew. And now we're gonna pour in some water. So for a second I was thinking, you know, if it was French style, it would be gochujang first and you 볶아 it, then add the water. But Korean, we usually make the broth and then throw all the flavors at the end, like the 국간장, 참치 egg, you know, the gochujang, 고춧가루 and all that. All right, so we're gonna bring the soup to boil, just like that. All right, now we're gonna throw in our potatoes and some zucchini and some onion, mushrooms, and some scallions. And lastly, some jalapeno pepper for the extra kick. It's not that hot. Oh, and I forgot about the tofu. Boom. All right, so now we're gonna throw in some pepper paste. aka the gochujang. I mean, it's Gochujang Jjigae, so gochujang needs to go in. Whew. All right, now we're gonna throw some soy sauce for soup, aka gochujang, and some fish sauce. Today I'm using some tuna sauce actually. And a little bit of pepper flakes for that extra kick. Woo! It's perfect for me right now. But if you feel like it needs more seasoning, make sure to add a little bit more salt and some pepper. So this joint is spicy with some pepper paste, pepper flakes, and some jalapeno pepper and some black pepper. Whew, whew. Look at that. All right, moment of truth. Ooh. Ooh. Hot and spicy. This is exactly what I needed. Literally, I needed something to clear my sinus and my throat. I don't know if you guys could tell. I sound a little sick right now. My nose is stuffy. And I needed something spicy and something hot. And this is exactly what I needed. Ooh. Yo, thank you guys for watching. And if you guys like this video, make sure to click like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Yabaseo.